guys, welcome in. I am just going to practice a little bit with my new Dagger Brush. Honestly, this will be my first time using it. It is a 1/4 inch Master's Touch Dagger Brush. So, looks like that. And I just have some colors here, all wet. And I'm not even really going to tape my paper down, because this is just going to be practice. I'm just going to dip into some color that I was using for a different project, fairly watered down. And I'm just going to go all in here and see what this Dagger Brush can do. I've seen other creators use one, and I have been dying to get my hands on one. Isn't that pretty? Well, it most definitely makes painting little leaves pretty fun here and easy to do. So I'm just going to fill up my page with some leaves of different colors. So I'm just kind of dipping into like a teal blue. Let's try that again. Let's go the other way. So I'm using the tip straight down, that tip of the brush, and then I'm pressing and lifting back up to create that look of a leaf. Alrighty. Let's try another one here. Up, around, and over. Not really worrying about my color. Just trying to get the feel of the brush. See if we can make something look decent here. Oh, that's pretty. So it's pull, press, lift, pull on the tip, press, pull, and lift. Oh, I can't wait to practice with this some more. Let's do one here. Come out, press, lift, get some water. Let's curve one coming around this way. Look at that. I really like that. It's pretty using the different colors. So I'm just going to twist my paper around. Let's grab, I'm going to clean it just a tiny bit. Let's grab some purple. Pretty watered down at this point. I'm going to try to come this way with the brush. Oh, look at that. Not really worried about the color, like I said. I'm just experimenting with what the brush can do. And not perfect there, but hey, it still looks pretty, doesn't it? And even if this doesn't turn out amazing, I'll still have a pretty background. Maybe we can letter on a little later. I'll just have one coming off the page there. I'm going to come back over into that beautiful blue. I'm going to do some purple and then dip into the blue. Let's see if, oh, look at that color blend. Make a longer one there. They don't all have to be perfect. Check that out. Let's get some green in here. All right, I'm loving this. Do you guys use a Dagger brush? Tip, press, pull, and back to the point. I'll just pull it off the side of the page. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so I'm going to grab some more of this purple. turn it. Just rotate that brush around. Oh, I love that addition of the purple. Let's do one here. So on the tip, pull, press, lift, and pull. Pull, press, lift. I'm going to go off the page with that one. Let's do one here, and we'll overlap that blue. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, let's say, why don't we pull some, well, we're purple. We're working purple. Let's get some green pulled in here. Well, that's going to be brown. Let's get some more of this beautiful green. Pull out, press, and lift. Pull, press, lift. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm going to extend a little bit like that. Oh my goodness, I love this brush. I'm going to come in this way. Hopefully, I'll like it. I'm just going to overlap here and there. It's okay. I'm really loving this blue-green mix, so let's put some here. Gorgeous. Pull down. So again, tip, press, pull, lift. Love it. I'm going to throw another one right there. That aqua color is hot. For lack of a better word, I love it. So let's pull some here. Pull one coming this way. I just kind of want to layer the leaves. I don't know, like I said, what the finished project is going to end up looking like, but I will say I am loving it so far. Let's make some more of that teal. A little bit green. Let's get some more blue in there. And some water. Let's go a little bit darker. Not perfect. But definitely pretty. I love the way it's layering. Great activity for when you are not really sure what to paint and you just want to practice. Just making some of these leaves. Pick up some green. This one might be a little bit color saturated, and that is okay in my book. Like the two colors together. That is amazing. We're going to do that again. So basically, I've dipped my brush in the teal that I've mixed up, and then I'm swiping it across the green, the tip. Let's do one starting in from the page, the center. Get a little bit more water on that brush. A little more color. pull one off here. Oh, that one's not perfect, but that is okay. This is just a practice activity with my new brush. What do you guys think? Would you try this brush? I think I'm better when I pull back towards myself. Kind of is reminding me of underwater for some reason. Like bits of seagrass. That is gorgeous. And we'll just do one more set here. Guys, let me know what you think, whether you use a Dagger brush. I'd love to know. If you like this and want to learn, please thumbs up on the video, like, and subscribe. It's pretty cool for practice. Maybe we'll hand letter once it's nice and dry. I'll see you soon. Bye.